Hello, hello. Yes, man. Greetings, greetings. Yeah, man. How's everyone doing? How's everyone doing? Just a little quick update on our situation. I got a tough decision to make. You see, in order to make this business go ahead, or to make it, I believe to make it work a better way. I don't know if you guys have noticed that I'm a vegan, so I don't eat meat. So I got a tough decision to make where obviously if I'm cooking for people at home, I don't need to eat the food. I don't need to taste it or nothing because I know roughly what seasoning to put in the food and all that stuff, so it wasn't an issue. But in order for me to take this business forward, I gotta taste the food. I gotta eat the food. I gotta taste it at least. Because you're cooking for the public, you gotta make sure it tastes alright. You can't just rely on, things to happen just like that. You need to taste the food. So in order for me to make this, to basically give it 100%, I have to taste the food. And decision I have to make where I have to not be a vegan anymore. And that's 9 years. It's been 9 years I haven't eaten any form of meat, not even fish. 9 years. So this business means the whole lot to me, and where right about now in my life, I'm literally starting out again. I'm starting from scratch. So hence why with the van and everything, it's tough. So I have to give everything. If I have to eat meat again, I just have to do it. So, because I want this to work, it have to work. There's no other way around it. So it gotta work. So I have to make this decision. So I have to change this, and I just have to do it this way. It's difficult, but it's just something I have to do, and do it the best of my ability. So it's just something I just give you guys an update as to what is happening. And now I've got all the tools to get more work done on the van, so I'm just gonna start doing some more work now and see where that takes me, and then we'll see how it goes from there, and hope it goes well, man. So you guys wish me luck, and see how it goes. We'll see. So I'll do the best I can. Yeah, it's just very hard for me to do, so but I'll keep you guys up to date. All right, peace.